So this is Lowestoft. This is the main street, the pedestrianised street, and so you have pedestrians of all sorts walking down the street. This is not on Zoom, this is just walking past me or walking round me. No, he's going round me. There he goes. They're all the way down the high street. You can see them dotted away down. They walk along in front of people. I've not quite got the idea of that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I can see. This one's found a piece of orange. Anyway, I think he's having a go on the games, whatever they are, I suppose. Here he is. What's he having? He's still fighting the other one. This is his patch. Look, he's giving him a bit of a seeing off. So, there they go. I really don't quite know what they're doing, walking up and down the high street. This one's quite aggressive. He'll see any of them off. Irene, just stand still a minute, please, and I want to see. He's chasing that other one, look. This one's Sid Vicious. Look, he's got his neck down. This one, he keeps attacking the other ones.
Yeah, there's a little one, I don't know where he is. There's a little tiny one, it sleeps in the doorway. And it just sits there.
This one's Sid Vicious, this one.
Oh, Psycho Sid.
Okay,
there's one-eye Nelson over here somewhere.
Oh my word. So it's bye for now. Thank you for watching. This is Lowestoft in Suffolk. Bye.